Hello again. Now we're going to talk about managing the admin roles. This is going to be all the roles that you want to create for admin access to the users that have been promoted as admins. And we can create, for example, a new role, and we can decide, okay, we're going to call it access the audit records read only. For that, we're going to look for the audit option and enable the read, and we're going to leave disable the delete option. We can create the role, and now we can add users to this role or groups of users for the role. If we click on the user sections, you will see here that not all the users are going to show up, only the users that have been promoted as admins. And we can click on, for example, this user, add it to the list, or you can also manage it by groups. And in the groups, once you move them from left to right, only the users inside that group that have been promoted as admins will be added. If we click close, now you have a special admin role that is going to allow the users that belong to this to be able to access the admin UI with their user account, to be able to access the audit records. That's the only menu item that they're going to be able to see and get access to. You can also add new admins from here as well. You can see here that it's listing for me right now all the full accounts that I have available and guest accounts. One is not yet an admin, and I can move it forward to the right side, and now that user can also be available to access this. If we click on edit, for example, on an admin role, and we look for the users, now I have that user that I have added as an admin to be added to this role. And last, you can also check the user permissions. For example, I can check for what does this user, Damon Phillips, has access to. And as you can see here, it has access to be able to view the audit records. And this is going to count all the roles that this user is using. So if we add him to another role that has, for example, access to customization, that is going to be showing up in here. And as you can see, that is the only permission that this user has for now.